Hi, my name's Al Parrish, and we just had a service from Hellamaid here at our house, and it was great. We had a whole team descend on us, and they started in the morning and went through to the afternoon. They did all the things that we hate to do. They dusted up above where up above our heads and in all the corners that we don't always get to. They did an amazing job on the bathroom and the kitchen, really nice and clean, but just the whole house got a deep cleaning. Um, you know, Windows, I don't do windows. They do windows. It was great. Um, so we were really happy with it. The folks who came and did the work were really nice. The administration folks showed up partway through and just did a little check-in to see how everything was going, and it was going just fine. We were able to book this whole thing online, and it was great. We went through the form and were able to fill out how many rooms we wanted done, what we wanted done, have it all customized. And when they got here, they knew what they were supposed to do, and so that was exactly what they did. The whole thing was just easy. It was seamless from start to finish. We were really happy with the way the whole thing went, and are just loving the way the house looks when it's all nice and clean.